UPS, right?
Hayes, Main, and 20th.
Copy, Main and 20th. X-ray 34, I missed what you said.
Particularly UPS.
Copy.
Gun. Get on the ground right now. You're gonna get shot. You're gonna get shot. Drop it now. You're gonna get shot. You're gonna get shot. Cover, cover, cover.
Get to my car. Find my car now.
Get back here. Get back here. Get back here. Everybody good? Henry 4, medical code 3. He is down. We're working on giving commands. Somebody glove up. In front of 1905 Main Street. Yeah, I'm code 4. Hey, glove up. Get a team ready. We got to move in here.
Okay. You got gloves on?
Guns by his head. He's not really talking to us right now.
Okay.
Hey, I need you to crawl to us if you can, all right?
Okay. I'm going to run this one. All right, we got 3 ready? All right, Michael, on you, we're going to move. Come over to me first. Let's go.
Okay, we ready to move up? We got hands.
We got hands.
Okay, I got lethal. Ready when you guys are.
On you, Michael.
All right, moving. Don't reach for that gun. You're going to get shot again.
Michael. Ready.
Grab his arms. Move him away from the gun.
All right.
You got 1 hand? Yep.
Boy 25. Right now,
I'm going to get some gloves. Fuck me.
You got 1 on the back.
Anyone have a chest suit?
Yeah, I do. Here you go. Can you careful, start gloves on?
Hey, we need to open up Main Street the best we can for medical to come in. So, immediate cars not on scene. Let's make a hole for medical, please.
I have the gun.
Yeah, leave it there.
Yep, I got it.
I got 1 right here.